Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence. Today, we're diving into step 1 of your English learning journey. Setting clear goals. You might think, do I really need goals to learn English? Yes, you do. Without goals, learning a language is like getting into a car with no destination. So grab a notebook or open a note app, and let's start building your roadmap to success.
Present continuous form and use. Lesson or part 3. Present continuous form and use. Lesson or part 3. The use. We use present continuous to describe actions that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking, as we said in the previous lesson. The form present continuous has two parts, verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. In present continuous, we don't use do, don't, does, doesn't. Let's continue. Signal words we use in present continuous for actions happening right now are now, right now, at the moment, listen, look. Let's continue. So as I said in the previous lesson, we are not going to use positive, negative question. Remember just the symbols. So plus means positive, minus means negative, question mark means question. Let's continue. Verb to be in present simple. I am, you're, he's, she's, it's, where, you're, there. Negative. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Verb to be in present simple question. Am I? Are you? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Because today also we are going to see just are you as a question. So the answer is yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? So remember, when you have the question, are you, always write this form. And if the answer is positive, for example, are you swimming? So the answer positive, yes, I am. Negative, no, I am not. So with yes, write the full form, the complete form, the long form, and with negative, write the short form. Let's see examples of verbs in present continuous. Let's see examples of verbs in present continuous. Let's go to the next verb. He's chatting with his friends. So verb chat has two forms. We can say chat with or chat to. Both of them correct. He's chatting with his friends. He's chatting to his friends. When? Now. He isn't chatting with his brother. When? Now. Is he chatting to his teacher? When? Now. No, he isn't. Let's repeat after me these examples. He's chatting with his friends. He isn't chatting with his brother. Is he chatting to his teacher? No, he isn't. Let's see this group of sentences. He's using my computer. When? Now. He's using my computer. He isn't using your computer. Is he using her computer? Yes, he is. Let's repeat after me these examples. He's using my computer. He isn't using your computer. Is he using her computer? Yes, he is. Let's go to the next verb. He's studying English. When? Now. Now he's studying English. He isn't studying French now. Is he studying Arabic? No, he isn't. He's studying English. Let's repeat after me these examples. He's studying English. He isn't studying French. Is he studying Arabic? No, he isn't. He's teaching physics now. He isn't teaching maths now. Is he teaching science now? Yes, he is. Let's repeat after me these examples. He's teaching physics now. He isn't teaching maths. Is he teaching science? Yes, he is. He's changing a traveler's check. So he's changing travel check to money, to cash. He's changing a traveler's check. He isn't changing a traveler's check. Is he changing a traveler's check? Yes, he is. Let's go to the next verb. He's changing a traveler's check. So he's changing travel check to money, to cash. He's changing a traveler's check. He isn't changing a traveler's check. Is he changing a traveler's check? Yes, he is. Let's go to the next verb.
We stop here. That's the end of today's lesson. Please support our channel by clicking like, comment, share, subscribe. دائما أطلب منكم في نهاية كل فيديو أنكم تشجعونا باللايك، لأن اللايكات قليلة جدا وتكاد في بعض الفيديوهات ما في ولا لايك، يعني شيء مؤسف جدا. الكومنت كذلك في بعض الأشخاص 3 أو 4 أشخاص جزاهم الله خير اللي مستمرين في دعم القناة بتعليقاتهم الطيبة، ونشكرهم على هذا المجهود الذي يقومون به. وكذلك أتمنى أنكم تسووا شير، مشاركة للفيديو مع أصدقائكم وعائلاتكم، وللأشخاص الذين لم يشتركوا في القناة حتى الآن أن يشتركوا ليساعدوننا على الاستمرار في تقديم دروس اللغة الإنجليزية على اليوتيوب. شكرا لكم، إلى اللقاء، حد سعيد.